Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we will talk on the euro currency. Actually guys, right now there is another currency that is forming an excellent setup. We have discussed this setup as well. This is New Zealand dollar and it's also approaching to our target that we have specified. But since we have started this discussion in our weekly research on the euro currency, let's complete it, since market already has reached, almost has done with the target that we have specified. So very soon some opportunity for scalp short entry could appear. That's why today we mostly will talk on the euro currency. On the New Zealand dollar, I will just show you the setup that we have discussed. Recall this our ABCD pattern that was formed, and we said that will be minor target is approximately 70 even area as ABCD extension. And take a look, market here is forming the butterfly. So on the forward time frame chart you could see it. This could be left wing, that would be right wing, and the target of this butterfly, reversal point of this butterfly, stands precisely at the same target as ABCD pattern stand. So probably within the couple of sessions New Zealand dollar also could hit finally the target. On the euro currency, so just to complete with the New Zealand dollar, so our entry right here, where we have discussed the entry point on the confluence support, was really correct, and right now we're standing in this upward direction. On the euro currency guys, our discussion of the possible continuation to the upside with the failure of this brand body here was correct also. As you can see, market is gradually coming to the upside, but still we have to acknowledge that previous bearish momentum that we have discussed is still here, so it was not released yet. So that is not sufficient retracement to release this bearish momentum that exists on the market. It's probably, we still think that some deep retracement probably should happen based on this recent thrust up. Usually on euro currency it could reach as far as the 50% area, so that will be probably 107.50, 108 area, right from the 111, somewhere in this area. Probably market will hit this. So currently we do not see reasons why we should think that this retracement will not happen. That's why from that standpoint, market right now is coming to the crucial area where we should get the real clarity whether this retracement will start or not. This area is 111.06 fib resistance. This is the 50% resistance from the whole move down from this top to this low. It's 50% level. And again, we know that euro currency uses the 50% levels most of all. When it starts retracement, it will drop to some support. The 50% levels works very good for euro currency. That's why, as we have said in our weekly research, that's the very important area for a short-term trading process from the short-term perspective. Because if you take a look at the forward time frame chart, some reversal patterns are forming right now that have the destination point right at the same area. So take a look, we have the 3 drive in progress, 3 drive sell, and the reversal point stands in 111. It's right here. As you can see, the crossing of this red and green lines. Red line is the 1618 extension on the first drive, while the green line is 127 from the second drive. This will be also the weekly pivot resistance one, the same area, fib level. And take a look. As we said, that market could retest and test just the weekly pivot point and turn to the upside and could form the butterfly that will have the same destination point here, because the extensions of the second drive coincides with the butterfly, because the butterfly is based on the second drive. In fact, this is just the shape of the second drive is the butterfly, so it has the same extension point. That's why here we have not bad resistance cluster that includes 3 drive. The butterfly is the part of the 3 drive weekly pivot resistance, and take a look, daily major 50% fib resistance. So this is, I think, should be sufficient to trigger retracement down. if it will happen at all. That's why, guys, for those of you who would like to trade this setup on the scalp short trade, watch for first for hitting of this area. As soon as you will take the short position here, you just need to avoid such sort of action through this area. So if it will be gradual, as we see right now, that's okay. When you will take the short position, try to use the technical respect of this area. It's the minor bounce out of it, because if even market has the intention to continue move higher, and if in fact it will happen that we will become wrong and market will continue move higher, we will break this area. Usually market shows the technical respect of any significant support or resistance area. It will mean nothing, it just will be the technical respect, response on existing of the resistance. As soon as it will be done, market either will continue move lower and start retracement, or it will turn back up again and will break it. That's why our task here, one of the major tasks here, is to use this technical respect to protect our position. So for example, when market will hit this area and start this technical retracement, it's approximately when it will pass down for 20, 25 pips maybe, we should move our stop to the break even as soon as possible. That will let us to transform this trade to the riskless one. And if we will become wrong somehow, this will just save our money. That's why we usually call for using very significant support or resistance areas for taking the position. So we need to have them on the back to minimize our risk, or even to totally avoid this possible loss. For others who do not want to trade this scalp short trade and searching for taking the long position, you need to wait one of the two possible scenarios. First, if market will indeed start retracement down, you should watch for this when it will be completed, and after that think about the taking the long. Or you need to wait when the market will break this area, and if this setup will fail, the market will continue move higher. In this case, you probably could try to take the long position, but guys, be careful with the overbought. So if market will break this area, it will stand relatively close to the overbought, and maybe this will be not very attractive point for taking the long position. So that means that probably anyway it will be better to wait for a bounce down for taking long position. So that's our current view on the euro currency. Let's see how it will turn. But it seems that potentially this setup that we have right now for possible taking the short position for scalp trading, well, maybe it will not be even the scalp trading. I mean the scalp trading in the term of this transaction, but on the possible target of this retracement, if it will be even half of this rally, this will be not small moves, so approximately 300 or even more pips. So will be great potential, especially if we will move the stop to the break even and we'll be watching movie after that. This will be just perfect. So let's keep watching, because currently this setup is really very nice.